China has imposed fresh travel bans on COVID-19 cases as they soar around the world. Visa holders from Britain, Belgium and the Philippines will be barred from entering the country. Olivia Seong reports.
A temporary response necessitated by the current COVID-19 situation. That's how the Chinese embassy in the UK explained their decision to close China's borders to foreigners from Britain, even if they hold a visa or residence permit. This comes as England entered a month-long lockdown as it grapples with over 20,000 new coronavirus cases a day and the highest death toll in Europe. Similar statements on restrictions for travellers were also released by the embassies in Belgium and the Philippines. Now, the move comes just over a month after China started allowing foreigners with valid residence permits into the country once again. That followed a ban of most foreigners in March. China's foreign ministry said the move is reasonable and in line with international practices. China recently announced new COVID-19 testing requirements for travelers from some countries, including the US, France, Australia and Singapore. Passengers have to produce a negative antibody blood test on top of a nucleic acid test that was required before, and the result has to be approved by the Chinese embassy in the country 48 hours before travel. China has some of the strictest requirements for incoming travelers. It has reported a relatively small number of coronavirus cases in recent months, many of which are imported, although it has also faced periodic local outbreaks in several cities. Chinese authorities say the travel restrictions will be assessed as the situation evolves and be adjusted accordingly. Olivia Seong, CNA, Beijing.